it'll be in that same shopping strip. First 24 hours home, once you see that, it's gonna be a new environment for him, so you can expect him to be kind of like shy at first, but he will eventually like blossom out. He'll be a sweet puppy. I would take the time to like get him used to everything. If it is possible, I would recommend trying to get off like work for a day. If that's not possible,
I'll always be home.
oh, great. That's perfect. So yeah, just take the time, give him some extra love, comfort him.
Yeah, it's just about nothing contagious, but I'll be home.
Okay, that's great. For tips for puppy crying, what are you planning to crate right now?
She's gonna be in he's gonna be in a blue puppy bin.
Yeah, so
I've had like 5 puppies, so at a time, not at the
so,
same time.
if you notice your puppy crying, like when you're trying to put them away or like put them alone time, the best thing to do is just let it cry.
Are you there?
But it'll also help prevent like separation anxiety, stuff like that. And then crying, if you just go over and like give them attention, it'll just teach him that crying will get away. Yeah. So some good to know stuff. You don't have to do this. It's just a fun little thing. First day home, you can bring them a date, and first vet visit, and you'll notice some new way to interact with them.
Oh, was he vaccinated for rabies?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Because he is too young.
Okay. Yeah, I just know they always ask that. That's why.
Yeah, your vet will definitely go over that with you and set out like a tracker of when his shots should be next. So utilization checklist is a good list of things to get used to. Other dogs, infants, kids, dogs. Consistent with men and cats. Dogs have a really weird thing with men and cats. So I don't know why.
Casper had that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Come here.
It's okay. He just kind of moves around. One tip that I do have when he is sleeping, I would try to be as loud as possible. Maybe run the vacuum, kind of like a baby. It'll just get him used to like all the different sounds. If you want to play like fireworks in the distance, so that'll just get him used to all those different sounds and stuff like that. Breath tracker. Again, you don't have to do this. It's a little like fun thing. You can write down his weight at 3 months, 4 months, 5 months.
What's his weight now?
I think he should be about 4 pounds. I can check all that cartilage over there. Okay. Maybe like 4.5 pounds.
Ohio? That's where Freddie was from. That's a sign. And Freddie's half that Bichon. So is Casper. You're gonna like Freddie. You're just not gonna. Cameron, run around. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Do you want to go live in New Jersey? You like it. Don't worry, Freddie was from Ohio too. She understands. Don't cry, it's okay.
Whoa. I'm trying for friends behind the thing.
Don't even think about going down those steps. I'm going to stop you. I can tell you that right now. Or up those steps. You'll learn one day. Freddie learned. It was one of the happiest moments of her life. You want more water? No? Want to smell the chair? Why don't you go back on your couch? Eat it some more. Take the blanket out again. You're going to give Daddy a heart attack. Yes, you are. He likes everything nice and clean and neat. He's going to have a nervous breakdown. But he's at work. Don't worry. He'll be at work all day and night. So I'll just spoil you. You got it good. You got the easy one. He's not going to be eating anything. That house is already Freddy proof, and he's going to be in a blue bin, and they have to be separated for 10 days anyway. Freddy's got cancer. She can't really... And honestly, it's probably better. God knows what will happen in 10 days. Hopefully nothing. How'd you even find this spot? Oh, it goes back there. Oh, you're a cat. Hi, I'm sorry I didn't see you. Sorry, we don't do cats. How adorable are you? You know you're adorable. Freddie knew she was adorable. Freddie knows she's still adorable. She's black. She's got a white stripe on her head. You'll like her. Alright, come on. You gotta go home, little dude.